So this is the back part, and this is the bottom part underneath the sleeve, and this is the front part. So I have to make this small, and then there is the big part. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and select this point, make this line bigger, and make that line smaller. And I'm going to edit the curvature. So now if we look, this is 529, this is 436, and if I press space, you're going to see how bad this looks. So we have to edit that. So 529. Yeah, this is pretty good. So now if we put them together, we get, as I told you, that wine glass look that I'm going for. All right. So now if I go here and press space, it's still big, but if you look at the folds and the stitching, it looks better now. All right, now the other thing, if we look at the reference, you can see this has a nice curvature to it, just to give us that, slim fit or waist fit look to the jacket, so it's not, a straight jacket. To do that, we have to add a nice curvature here. Before doing that, I'm going to make this part smaller. Because if you look at the reference, you're going to see this part is big, which is the top part is really big, and the bottom part is really small. So it just tapers down. If you look at it, it just tapers down. So this is the shoulder part, and it has to taper down, but it's not in a straight line. So I have to make sure this has a nice curvature to it. All right. And now that this has a nice curvature, I'm going to have to make sure this fits that curvature. So the easiest way to do that is just move it, close to that part and, start editing the dots. Sorry. Right, so something is intersecting. So I'll just move these here. All right, and I'm gonna just move the curve, just more or less to fit the look of that curve. Again, we have to make sure the size is similar. So now we see that it's not 538. So we have to make sure this is 538. All right. Now I have to move this a bit down. Edit the curvature. Now if I look at this, this is the wine glass I was telling you about. All right, so again, make sure also the front part fits. So this is 418. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a curve in the front as well, because I really need that, slim waist look even from the front part. And I'm not going to add it here. You're going to see in a minute. And you can see the huge difference from what we had before.